Experiencing a frozen battery percentage or non-updating status on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Released in September 2024, these models, particularly after the iOS 18.1 update, have shown issues where the displayed battery percentage gets stuck. This discrepancy arises between the actual battery state and what the software reports. First, try a force restart. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This resolves the problem for many users without data loss. If the issue persists, it might be related to battery calibration or software glitches, which will be addressed in the next section. If a force restart doesn't resolve the issue, here are advanced troubleshooting steps for iPhone 17 battery problems. Try recalibrating your battery. Let your iPhone 17 fully drain to 0% until it shuts off. Then charge it uninterrupted to 100%. This helps the system align its sensors. Ensure you're not using any third-party battery monitoring apps, as these can interfere with iOS's power management. Also, avoid extreme temperatures, as very cold or hot environments can cause miscalibration. If problems continue, consider visiting an Apple Genius Bar for a free diagnostic, as a hardware defect might be the cause. Apple released iOS 18.2 in June 2025 to address some of these bugs, so make sure you are fully up to date. Future iOS updates are expected to improve AI-powered calibration to help automatically resolve these problems as well.